everyone, my name is Saadwik. I'm wearing these pajamas or school sweater. I'm going to show you what it's a fun thing, a Rubik's Cube. I'm going to do 3 things. A pattern, and looking in the same color of the pattern, and a flower pattern. Okay, I'm going to start though, okay? So what's the first step? You need to look at this. You move this 2 times. You move it to that. Same thing. Once these two, the colors like 2, 1 in here, you move that 2 once you get it. And then you put it back and move it 2 times, like the same thing I told you. Okay, now you want to just look at the same color, like this. And then go move 2 times and then move it to this same color. And one more thing also, I know how to do the flower pattern. If you need it, you start with the white always. You move this, you hold it like this, push it, move this down, hold 2, and move this, or like you can move this up. And now you repeat the same thing. Now you just want, it's the other way. Pull this down, pull this up, and then pull this down. You pull this right. You turned it to the left, and then you turn it to the. This one goes to the right, and then you pull this up. You put this up, and then you move this thing, and then you move it 2 times, and then I'm finished. And there are 2 different rules. 1, you have to follow it. 2, if you go fast, you might mess it up, and you won't know. Then you have to ask someone to solve it. Okay, bye-bye, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe it. Okay, bye-bye.